Okay. Oh, this power cord. Okay, I have something. I was driving along and I hear this and I'm freaking out because I'm thinking, okay, my husband is away for the weekend and I don't have... Can you hear it? Yeah. So I'm stopped at a stop sign. Every time I stopped at a stop sign, I'd hear this horrible sound. Yeah. Do you hear that? And I'm like, what is wrong with my car? And then I figure it out. My boys left their lightsabers at someone's house and it got thrown in the van and my purse is sitting on it. See if I can find it. Yep. Right here, underneath all of my papers. So every time I stopped, it would do this and glow. Don't look at my messy van. Yeah. I was ever so relieved when I realized it was just a lightsaber. Yep. And my kids are dancing in the doorway. I better go face the music. Okay. Or the lightsaber. I'm not sure which. Alright. Happy Saturday.